Today, we will be making a delicious soup recipe, Grandma's Minestrone Soup. This Italian soup is a classic favorite and a terrific, hearty soup for a cold winter night. There is really no set recipe for minestrone soup, since it is often made with whatever vegetables are in season. However, this recipe is a keeper, and we hope you love it as much as we do. So let's get started. In a medium to large pot, on medium heat, start with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Next, add 1 onion and a ½ pound of sliced salt pork. To make it easier to slice, freeze for 30 minutes before slicing. Sauté for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, add 3 cloves of minced garlic. Stir, then add 6 cups of water. And stir a bit more. Add 1 6-ounce can of tomato paste and stir. Next, add a ½ cup of split peas, a ½ cup of barley, a ½ cup of lentils, 1 cup of pinto beans. Soak the beans overnight in 3 cups of water to help them soften. Stir and simmer for at least 45 minutes or until the beans are soft. Go ahead and stir occasionally as it's simmering. Once beans have softened, add 2 sliced ribs of celery, 1 diced potato, and 1 16-ounce can of kidney beans, then stir. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and 8 cups of water, and give it a good stir. Next, put the lid on and simmer for about 1 hour. After an hour, add 1 cup ditalini pasta. Stir and continue to cook for at least 30 minutes. Now it's time to remove the salt pork. At this time, it is ready to serve. Our favorite way to enjoy this is to sprinkle on a little parmesan cheese and serve it with focaccia bread, which we show how to make at the end of this video, as well as in the link in the description. It makes the perfect combination, and I love dunking it in the soup while eating. Please let us know how you like it by leaving us a comment, and join us in the next video on how to make the tasty Italian bread focaccia.